Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated B2B lead generation machine. We'll be scraping high-quality leads from Apollo.io and saving them directly to Google Sheets, all without paying for expensive official APIs. Let's dive in. It all starts with this form trigger node. Instead of hard-coding our search terms inside the workflow, we want to make it dynamic and reusable. Here, I've created two simple text fields, one for the location and one for the business category. This generates a web form where you can simply type New York and engineer whenever you want to start a new search. Once the form is submitted, n8n captures the data immediately. As you can see in the output, we have our target location and role ready to be passed to our scraping bot. Next, we trigger the BrowserAct node. This is the engine of our operation. Here, I've selected my pre-configured BrowserAct workflow that knows exactly how to navigate Apollo.io. The most important part is the input mapping. We don't want to scrape the same thing every time. So, we map the location and business category from our form directly into the bot's parameters. This tells BrowserAct exactly what to search for. Once the job is done, look at the output on the right. It returns a raw JSON string containing all the scrape data, names, emails, and companies. It looks a bit messy now, but don't worry, we'll fix that in the next step. Next step, data cleaning. As you can see on the left, the raw data coming from BrowserAct is nested deep inside a JSON string. We can't use this directly. It parses that messy string and flattens the nested arrays. But most importantly, it standardizes the fields, pulling out the name, title, company, and email into a clean structure that Google Sheets can understand. Look at the output on the right. We now have 10 perfectly formatted records. Now, we have one final check before saving. We use this map columns node to explicitly define exactly which fields we want to keep. This acts like a filter. We ensure name goes to name and email goes to email. This step guarantees that your Google Sheet stays perfectly organized, with no missing data or wrong columns. Finally, the destination. We use the Google Sheets node to save our hard-earned data. I've set the operation to append row, so every new lead gets added to the bottom of the list without overwriting anything. Here, we map the columns one last time. Notice the ID field. Instead of just copying data, I wrote a small expression to generate a unique timestamp ID for every single lead. This makes database management much easier later on.